Majar sayu lama chan jago. Shiga simdika nishtom jakalo ina. Wos sajjo sa chamer dajudu. Chamtok jajjo jet. Shigar dika ngacha wamma posan dimit. Rangli mep tangari. Tasi chizaka chettari. Cheka ranga mabjini chettaga. Jarang bochi no. Karda chamkurum bochi tan banamba woda pepjiga chetta ngacha ka te konarma. Ngacha sosur gerka te konarmaritsi.
As they interrogated us, continued to do so, we were then taken to a bigger police station in Ngaba where they had, a torture room, and I was, tortured, physically tortured while being interrogated. And one of
Dimi chu jarum buchir kaprashan nayin chundimi ta capture on tanta chu cambo tandimi chin yint jimusra jirk ta tagan joper chigs joper merchigs ni joper merchigs di ta poko jimuzo juti kajirnuti ngos ko merolod tagut tatati kursang janag kursang insuga tangani chumsup pa jamoni ngo jusu ngni ngo yarta mertene ngona ikun ta chirko gomba khata da ta chi hoptra khata yim bari ta joina yim bari ta cheketi lomk sakete bjador gombi na zajime kata ngava zungo tonchir zajime kata lhasi gati chu ta zajime sama ta ti anig do bjado henna yan da korker satang ri der satang na yan korsu chi timi chi tujin da yamchen da lagda yan ka karda chamgurum buchi ga chorker ta jarum buchi chorker ki ga tudul lagda dambo ngoso rangoni dawngo chunya chejin chu khati langkur kaapsha ta tani zikti jab nyab jab tergin joga chu cheze ko tera chundar ki party ta ji ya chi dingmu da nyong tande hasari hasa ga sigla khari ta korsu chama masita ta insa ka kardo gombari da insa ka karda chamgurum buchi ga zamkhari zamkhana insa ka ndasa insa ka karda chamgurum buchi ndasa insa ka jarum buchi ga ta harsani ga chang zo jogna harsani ga chong ni do Tina na chamgu kardarum bochigo per tang ta ti chöga tang tagain tsuk ti shumara jarum bochigo kapar bjana ja khorg na yona dara ma chan joka mapchigo langshari ta tani yu lasa ga tan tsuk ta kardu gombi na trawa cha ki chazab chi gu chama ta yu tin ta ti lom karg donari lom bje yori ta ti lom ta chazar jinna ngana nga chama ma song ko anda jinna lom gi chingem ban dasri tabjinga chama song na yara tondi ta chamko na ga bjig do ju tham go lom ga wa harasran khorkand ju tabjig jo ka tan dekti sapsa ga tan tsuk kardu gombin tsuk ndagang gat na bjig onri ndagang gat na.
So this is a picture of Kirti Rinpoche in Kirti monastery where Kirti Rinpoche's palace or room is. You can see the CCTV cameras and high-tech surveillance surrounding the monastery, Kirti monastery. Before I went to prison, they were like common or normal-looking CCTV cameras, but after my release, I noticed that around Ngaba and Kirti monastery, the equipment that they use for surveillance are high-tech ones that are used in the prison. In prison, so they are watching Tibetans in Ngaba or Tibet, around Tibet, like prisoners.
Tandan dimin tombo sa ta jiga harafti den jang za yor ira namu za to ngana insa ka ta mamu na yodi ta trawa cha da gumba nang ka ta trawa cha ki hardog ha jigson are ma za jigson na ya nin da ta na cham ko na da ju cham ko na di khchar don ma bu chi son are ta ga ta khursu makhchig ji chek ta tim khchig tim yam chang zu du nga cha ki khchig ko na khchig ka ko na tim sri.
So you can see the height of the surveillance cameras there, which is able to see all four corners and monitor from every angle what the monastery monks are doing inside the monastery all the time.
Tatri tensuka lobzon komchuk ho nirton chiktsuklo lobzon komchuk tong lobzon karzan niga karnige janag jong ngurgup chin de merg tang ra tangna tam ta chi go merg map tang ngong pet karnye tsuk yang merg tang di lob chitik timire ra 다 거수 시거 뒤탐거는 나요디 다 코한데 럽선 검충다 됐네 고 그가 고르막 스메 다 잔나급 제도가 다 저거 건너라 주와너라 다 그가 제 하르서 제가 정나 다 지금 시작하는 거는 언더기는데 니가 언더게 숨네 들기는데 다 그거 매도 수트고 다 제가 주 때너라 그제 셰가 고녀고서 다 때문에 로 지그랑 니랑게 tarman kana ja nya da zumo man kana tarman chu tsang ta chi ga chi go no ne ta chi go no lak mali zin na ya jambu ta ni me de chi tsupu go ta ni de ta ti man kana la som
These are Lobsang Kunsho and Lobsang Kesang who are from Ngaba, and they self-emulated in 2011. These pictures are after their self-emulation. So when they protested by burning themselves against the Chinese government, they were badly treated by not only the officials but also the hospital personnel, because you can see under the arms the skin are the burnt skin are stuck to each other. It has like kind of shrunken. However, when interrogating, they will, forcefully pull that, causing further injuries and fresh injuries to them. And even while being treated in the hospital, the medical personnel, they will say like, so you want, freedom for Tibet, and then they will, do it very, without any empathy, they will do it with so much force that it will cause them extra pain in that situation.
ta lobzon komchuri konda zinna ta wansemner jamni mesg jogore wanem chan jamni mesg jogore wansemde tar kang nani zig jogore ta nimsem mede chiga nakhu tsagzir kir tengmega yenna yang khosur nyartup tan lagsam taglab chimbo ta osu shagona sham mashijri.
So the pain and suffering that they have endured is, unexplainable. I cannot, even tell in words like, what they have gone through. However, the courage that they still have in their heart is even beyond my imagination. Like I cannot even express how much courage they showcase.